Hello everybody, welcome back to this video. We're gonna cover a lot of things, especially about education. I find this website really interesting, and most importantly, I see good reviews about this educational website, which basically concentrate on education. As you know, guys, I'm all about education in cover channel. In this channel, it's all about education, teaching you about what Bitcoin really is and how can I onboard as many people as I can by giving them the most honest education. So when I find a website like this that has so much value in terms of what they can provide so much more value than I could, so I feel like so pumped to show you guys what how to take advantage of that, because I see, as you can see over here, I'm just gonna show you now. The reviews over there are very great, and took I'm taking this course myself, right? Regardless how much I know and about Bitcoin, but it's not just about Bitcoin. This course take you all the way from the beginning of money and the beginning of time where we started to use money and the definition of that and how did we get here and the fiat system and all that, like everything. So I had to learn so much good and useful educational content. So I really recommend you guys check it out. I don't There's no link, right? So I don't have any link. You just click on Looking Glass Education and you can just get there and get a free education. Those are in my opinion, this course would cost like maybe 200 to $300 to take, even more for the value you would get. Not only that, but this education you would never get in school, right? So those they don't teach us those things in school, because if if we know, right, we wouldn't be part of the system, right? So this is why I really want to recommend this to you guys. It's not mandatory, but again, I'm all for education. I'm all for teaching you. I don't want to focus too much on the price. This is not really all that matters, but the most important thing is about education. And this is how I think you really can be very successful. So we're gonna check the this chart over here. This is just an indicator. I always look at charts as lagging indicators. Like it doesn't matter which chart, right? Because before Bitcoin, this chart never existed like the way it is, right? So it's what you're looking at, right? When you look at look at this, the last dot on this chart. This dot is the position Bitcoin is right now. It's not indicating what Bitcoin is going to do next. You see, so those are lagging indicators, and this is what people don't understand. They looking at those charts and then they try to make predictions. This is really stupid to me. It's like, how can you just look at something that's like definite? It's not continued. There's no way this indicating me or anything else in the future. That's just done right now, right? So and then people make like crazy predictions based on those. Like it's really stupid to me. So I just look at those things. Just I don't take them as any prediction at all, because most of those people are just lying. Um, and we're gonna look at Bitcoin data, some statistics, and let's go on the hash rate. The hash rate is just holding just at 204 million hash so per second. And then so we have the difficulty of the year. The difficulty just dropped a bit, and we're just holding there at 29. So and then we have the miners revenue. The miners within is dropping because, as you know, the price is dropping, so it makes sense. So I think if miners start getting liquidated and get going out of business, you will have a lot of miners going to the market. So people used to be willing to get into the mining business, they could get in. um, it's the mining business is something very difficult, very complicated. You're gonna have to be like very sophisticated to really survive in the mining business because it's very competitive. So that's why I don't really suggest somebody to get into the mining business. Like, I mean, if you wanna do some home mining, maybe like for hobby and something, you want to make sure that you really educate yourself and start very small, like one um, S9, something like that. But if you want to do some, if it's about like making money for a living, it's something very very complicated. I know people do like upstream mining data, upstream data. For example, is doing like uh, mining Bitcoin using flare gas, not flare, natural gas, and just use this wasted energy and turn it into Bitcoin. That's really profitable because basically you're getting the gas for free, almost free, and you just convert that into Bitcoin. That's good, and I think that's really really good. But in other ways, like if you have to buy the power and energy prices are good, getting higher, right? So if you take a loan to buy miners, you have to pay interest on that loan. If you never use that miner or the miner value will drop, so it's all those are all the risk. That's why it's so much better to just hold the Bitcoin itself because and then you just let the miners work for you and secure that Bitcoin for you. So no brainer to me. So just the Bitcoin. Um, what else can we check on this? I think for this we're good now. We have the big Lightning network, the Lightning capacity and the channels, nodes. They are keep going up. So it's we're having more and more channels every day, right? So this is the chart for that, and we have so much. You could check that for yourself, guys. You could just go on Bitcoin Visuals, and you bitcoinvisuals.com. You will see like the Bitcoin network, the Lightning network, the capacity, and you have the amount of Bitcoin on the network is going. Right, so we are at about like 4,073 BTC right now, and yeah, regardless the price is going down, you see the amount of Bitcoin is growing, right? So I mean, the people don't really care about the price, and you see the network is strengthening. That's amazing. And also, guys, this is basically this is the blockstream explorer. So I'm not. Yeah, let me just bring this down to see. Just gonna show you guys the blockstream explorer. I was gonna show you. So this is basically over here. Once you go there, you will see the blocks, and we have dashboard, right? Every single blocks, you can see them from there, the transactions, right? And you can see every single transaction here, right? From here, you can see the blocks there. So amazing, amazing. So network is keep working like every 10 minutes, right? TikTok, next block, um, and then let's check on the DCA website. Um, like the other day, I made a video teaching you guys about how you can have save down payment for your house. I really went to like step by step. Let's say if you want to save like a certain amount, like 20,000. So if you want to save $20,000 every uh, $20,000 for 3 years, so how much money you would have to save every month, right? So yeah, so I went down to basically every uh, everything. So it was about 565 from the past 3 years. If you went like save 565 every month, you would be getting like you would in total you would be saving in fiat 20,000 340, and then in saving total saving in terms of BTC, your return would be $52,900. That's way more than what you would get just saving in your bank account. So that's the massive potential of this technology, the saving technology, right? This driver that can get you where you want to be in the next 3 to 5 years. Uh, so instead of looking at the day by day, you want to look at this technology as a tool to get you where you want to be in your saving dream. For like you want to save for anything, right? But you're gonna think about long term, not just like in the next month or in the next year. So you have to think long term. So really amazing, because when you really think about it, when you try to save, like the value of the money is evaporating. It's not really holding its value really. So things are getting more and more expensive. Like the other day, the taxi drivers, they want more money for their for their time, and they just raise a few bucks the year and there every time. And I don't blame them, because their time is valuable, right? So they can't, if they can't afford to feed their family, they have to raise the price. And this is why the value of your money is not holding. Right? You need something that can drive you, hold its value over time. That's why you need to educate yourself about, like real education, and to understand what you're doing here. I don't want you to just go and put your money in something you don't understand. That's not helping. So, in the last part I want to touch on is the 10-year yield. Like I already show you this already, guys, and this is one of the things I'm very fearful of, because the implosion of the debt market. This is a 10-year yield over. This is over all like since maybe since 1980, 1980. So now this is at this level in of a year 2.993. So I'm just afraid that these things keep blowing up to the upside 5-7%. It would be like crazy, because imagine if this thing get to 7%, like would be the end game, right? So um, it's just like money freeze. There's no money in the bank, right? So I mean, like you're gonna educate yourself about the economy, understand what's going on, because in my opinion, this economy is in the verge of collapse, and I see so many places, so many countries like locking money, freezing people's bank account. They can't access money. There's no liquidity, so and so many people are just so reckless, and so they're so clueless about the economy and what they are dealing with. They don't know, like, the money they see in the bank is just a representation of some digit. It's not really money. I mean, it's just like it's really good for you guys to really educate yourself. That's why I show you again this website to teach you about those things. And not only that, just share it in your social media, and share with your friend, a family member. Teach them about this, because because so we have to get on together, guys. So before I finish this, and I want to ask you guys. That's the first time I'm asking you this. Um, uh, I just wanted to show you guys. I have in my channel. So I'm gonna show you file cover over here. So I show you guys this. Um, so I have a link that you could stream me some stats, and it's a fountain. I don't know if you guys is know this already, but it's a fountain. It has a Lightning Network wallet that's connected to it. Um, that can that will lead you to pay pay me some sats or stream me some sats. Uh, but if you want to support me, right? So, because as you know, like everything you do, basically, let's say you finish watching this video, for example, Bitcoin the Lightning Network, and then you wanna, just say thank you. For example, this person said thank you, but you wanna, thank me in other ways. You can just go there and just this is the link. I mean the address for the fountain, right? The unthinkable. This is my handle is the unthinkable at fountain.fm. So this will allow you to just go on your fountain app and just look for me and look for this and just pay using this and satoshis. I would be very grateful, guys, if you could help, because not only this, I would be able to have set more time to for more research on more like great education and great content to help you and help maybe one of your family member, a friend, a family will be using this channel for to learn about Bitcoin and educate themselves and protect themselves from what's gonna happen. So I wish you guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys take time to just stream me some satoshis and find any other ways if you could. Not a lot, but I feel like yeah, if I bring you some value and you see that you just send like the amount you feel like I deserve. So it doesn't have to be much, but simply the amount you see I deserve. So I will just leave it there, guys. I hope you enjoy, and this was Spike Over, and I'll see you again, guys. Have a wonderful day.